Welcome, today I am Huawei FreeBuds 3 and I will show you how we can check serial number of this device in the two methods. The first one, we can open the AI Live application, open our case to be connected. When we are connected, just tap on the FreeBuds, tap on the right upper corner, select the device settings and go for the device information. In this place, we'll find the serial number. You can also make the same by grabbing your box, and the serial number you will find. Oh, let me just show you. I have to remove the sticker at the first. Okay, I'm not going to remove the sticker, but the serial number you will find in this place. Right now it's covered with this second sticker that I cannot remove, but yeah, that's also the sticker, the serial number on this, the default factory install sticker at the bottom of your box. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.